These esophageal foreign bodies are not so dangerous as airway foreign bodies, but this is very common problem among children and elderly. Anatomical, these foreign bodies are commonly found at various natural constriction of esophagus, at cricopharynx, at crossover of aortic arch at the level of mid-esophagus, at the lower end of the esophagus. Natural constriction present at cricopharynx C6 level at 15 cm from incisor, aortic arch at T4 level 25 cm from incisor, left main bronchus T5 level 28 cm from incisor, and esophageal hiatus at 40 cm T10 level from incisor. Most common site of esophageal infection at the thoracic inlet. The cricopharyngeal sling at C6 level is also the level and its site of catch a foreign body site. About 70% of blunt foreign bodies like coins that lodge in the esophagus to do so at this location. Another 15% become lodged at mid esophagus and another 15% found at lower esophageal junction. Common foreign body in esophagus is metallic foreign body like coin, pin, safety pin, buttons, button batteries, pieces of metal object, blades, broken spoons. Non-metallic foreign bodies like glass beads, marbles, plastic toys, pieces of plastic object, impacted food bolus, pencil piece, denture, partial denture, and teeth, artificial or natural, fishbone, meat, etc. And patient with esophageal foreign bodies are maybe pediatric patient, psychiatric patient, patient with underlying esophageal disorder, or edentulous patient, elderly patient. Clinical presentation, this depend on whether the patient is a child or adult. Adult usually describe the event clearly, acknowledge the possibility of presence of foreign body in the food passage. In children, symptoms may be irritability, poor feeding, drooling, chest pain, and coughing. Respiratory symptom due to esophageal foreign body is common in children because of their small and compressible tracheolumen. These symptoms include stridor, coughing, and labored breathing. Physical examination, this does not play an important role in establishing the diagnosis. Children with esophageal foreign body tend to drool. Examination is usually unremarkable in most of these patients. Role of radiography. Main radiographic tool in esophageal foreign body is radiography. Commonly, these foreign bodies tend to be radio opaque. Coins are commonly ingested by children. Food products are the other commonly encountered foreign bodies. Plain radiograph in these patients may demonstrate bone cartilage present in the food elements. Both anteroposterior and lateral view must be taken, and CT scan better information if you want to take. And you can see these pictures of foreign body and coin. Thank you so much.